Want to turn a photo into a bold line drawing right inside Photoshop? Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your image. Start with a high contrast photo. Duplicate your background layer so you always have the original to fall back on. Step 2. Remove the background. Use Select Subject or Remove Background to mask your image, then clean up any rough edges on the mask. Once it looks good, convert that masked layer into a smart object. Step 3. Apply the oil paint filter. Go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint. Adjust the stylization and cleanliness sliders to smooth out the details and get that painterly texture. Step 4. Merge visible layers. Create a new empty layer at the top of your stack. Then press Command plus Option plus Shift plus E. This stamps all your visible layers into that new layer, so you have a flattened version to work with while keeping everything underneath intact. Step 5. Add poster edges. Now go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Poster Edges. Increase edge thickness and edge intensity until you see strong, illustrated outlines coming through. Step 6. Add a gradient map. Go to Image, Adjustments, Gradient Map, or add it as an adjustment layer. Pull the black and white sliders close together. This is what sharpens those crisp outlines. Step 7. Add the finishing outline. Right-click your top layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then convert it into a smart object to keep everything combined and editable. Next, add a stroke layer style. This draws a clean outline around the entire image. Adjust the stroke size until the thickness feels right for your look. Step 8. Change the blending mode. Finally, open blending options and set the mode to multiply. This removes everything except the black outlines, so you can drop in any background you want. And that's it. How to create a line art look to your photos, straight from Photoshop. Happy editing!